Yo, good morning Sasa Squad. How you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing awesome as usual. So guys, in today's video blog is very special just because I am leaving to Vegas. So since Hans and I are going to Vegas, guys, we need to send all 5 dogs to the pet sitter. Yeah, it's gonna be a busy morning for us. But guys, you know what? I have a really big surprise once I get to Vegas. Alright guys, all the dogs are in the car. Another thing, before we leave, we're gonna run Tony. Check this out. There you go. We just dropped the dogs and now we are heading to Chicago. Alright guys, I make a stop at CVS because I need to get a bottle of water. I'm so thirsty, so yeah. It's 88 cents. What is this? Oh, I'll try this one for 88 cents. That's a good deal. Alright guys, we are in Chicago right now. Sasa Squad, fuel up. Check that out. Yeah guys, taking a break, get gas. So on the way back, we don't have to stop get gas. Finally made it to Chicago Airport, and this is at the parking lot still. We need to take bus to the or shuttle to the train station and take the train to Chicago O'Hare Airport. Yeah. Alright, Sasa Squad just made it to Chicago O'Hare. So guys, finally boarding the plane. I will see you guys in Vegas. Alright, Sasa Squad, we just landed in Vegas. First thing that we're gonna do is getting our rental car. It's only in Vegas. They have slot machine in the airport. Alright guys, finally arrived at the rental car station. So basically it's 10 minutes away from the airport, guys. You have to take shuttle to get here. So yeah. Getting a car right now, guys. But check out this car. Nissan Fairlady. Basically, I am going to ride on the helicopter and shooting Vegas from above, guys. Clear! Are you guys all ready?
Yes, we are.
Yeah! Woohoo! Pretty excited, guys. First time. Casa Squad, I just made it back to the hotel. So despite my fear of heights, riding the helicopter was actually pretty cool, guys. That was actually my first experience. It was kind of a little bit shaky or bumpy just because maybe of the weather. Vegas currently is having heat wave, so the temperature was almost 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So if we convert that to Celsius, it's almost 50 degrees Celsius. Yeah, guys, it's freaking hot. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me, guys. Yeah. Don't forget to watch my video tomorrow. I have a lot more surprises for you from Vegas. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.